Welcome to the second part of our journey inside the Flower Dome. Today, we'll immerse ourselves in the breathtaking impressions of Monet, the experience where art and nature come together in a magical way. But that's not all. We'll also explore some of the most extraordinary and unique plants that make the Flower Dome such a wonder. Trust me, you won't want to miss a second of this adventure, so watch till the very end for all the special moments waiting for you. Impressions of Monet, the experience in the Flower Dome is an enchanting showcase that celebrates the timeless artistry of Claude Monet while drawing parallels between his impressionist masterpieces and the natural beauty of the Flower Dome. As you wander through this breathtaking exhibit, you'll feel as though you've stepped directly into Monet's paintings. The vibrant colors of the flower arrangements mirror the hues and textures of Monet's works, particularly his iconic water lilies, tranquil ponds, and the famous Japanese bridge from his garden in Giverny. The dome's carefully curated floral displays are paired with digital projections of Monet's paintings, seamlessly blending art and nature into an immersive sensory experience. Soft, ambient music fills the air, enhancing the peaceful and reflective mood that Monet's art evokes. Interactive elements allow visitors to connect with the artist's vision in a whole new way, providing an intimate journey through his creative world. The exhibition not only pays tribute to Monet's passion for capturing fleeting moments of light and color, but also inspires visitors to see the beauty in their surroundings. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a flower lover, or simply curious about Impressionism, Impressions of Monet, the experience is an unforgettable highlight of the Flower Dome that offers something truly magical. Don't miss the chance to experience this harmonious blend of artistic expression and natural splendor. The Flower Dome's train show is a delightful attraction that combines the charm of miniature trains with the beauty of vibrant floral displays. This event transforms the dome into a whimsical world where model trains wind their way through intricately crafted landscapes, offering a unique and engaging experience for visitors of all ages. The show often features meticulously designed tracks surrounded by colorful blooms, lush greenery, and themed structures. Some displays might even depict iconic landmarks or seasonal setups, enhancing the storytelling aspect of the exhibit. The sight of tiny locomotives chugging through tunnels, over bridges, and alongside breathtaking floral arrangements creates a playful contrast between engineering and nature. Let's venture to the second floor of the Flower Dome, where some of the world's most fascinating and unusual plants await discovery. This level is a botanical wonderland, showcasing a collection of rare and exotic plants from across the globe, each with its own intriguing adaptations and stories. You'll encounter towering baobab trees, often called the tree of life, with their thick, water-storing trunks that help them survive arid climates. The curious desert rose, with its bulbous base and delicate blossoms, stands alongside other hardy desert plants that have evolved to thrive in the harshest conditions. Keep an eye out for the prehistoric Wollemi pine, a plant that dates back to the age of dinosaurs and is considered one of the rarest trees on Earth. There's also the Madagascar palm, a peculiar plant that's not actually a palm but a member of the spurge family, with sharp spines and an unmistakable silhouette. As you stroll through this collection, you'll not only marvel at the diversity of plant life but also learn about the ecosystems they come from and the incredible strategies they use to survive. The second floor also offers panoramic views of the entire dome, making it a perfect spot to appreciate the seamless blend of architecture and nature. Get ready to be amazed by these botanical oddities, each more captivating than the last. The second floor garden is a must-see for anyone who loves nature's quirky side. That brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed exploring the wonders of the Flower Dome with me. If you did, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when new videos are out. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next adventure. Take care.